girl Sunny C here. If this is your first time viewing, hello, welcome to the family. Hit the subscribe button on the way in. If you are returning, what's up, girl? Hey. If you haven't read the title of this video, we are doing a halo cut crease, and I am going in just blending out that concealer I used to carve out my eyebrows. Y'all, I haven't done one of these in a while, so bear with me, please, because it's hard, it's tough, but it's beginner friendly, so we're gonna do it together. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Gel Moisturizer. Y'all, if I haven't told y'all by now, this is the one, not the two. Okay, now that my son has come to the understanding, I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. If you don't have this palette, y'all, every beauty guru knows this is beginner friendly, so I'm putting y'all on. If you're doing any color look, this is the palette that you need to start off with. So now I'm going in with the royal blue that they have in the palette, and I'm creating my arch. This is like a rough draft, y'all, so don't judge me. I'm just pressing the color in and trying to outline where I kind of want the arch to be. If you don't know what an arch is, please Google it. After I pretty much figure out where I want the arch to be, I just start patting that color in because I want my arch to be as deep as possible so the halo cut crease can really pop. Y'all, please take y'all time with this part because you don't want to like overdo it with the color like I did. It was really hard to blend with the baby blue. I should have went with my first mind and chose green instead because I felt like that would have been an easier color to blend with the dark blue, but I chose light blue, so this is what we got. This is what we working with. It was too late to turn back. Okay, now the hard part. We are going in with the Juvia Place concealer in the color 10. Y'all, I will have all my products listed below like I always do, you know. Now it's time to cut that hoe. First we're going in starting with the top because we want to cut the tops first and then create our shape. It's almost like a cut crease. You want to start in your crease area and then you want to slowly draw out your shape. I really didn't want to do too much talking at this point because I really wanted y'all to watch the video, but I do want to give y'all an idea what shape y'all going for. Have y'all ever seen like a pond, like when a rock goes in a pond and it's like, or even like a sunset kind of picture, you know how it's like the horizon is huge but then it goes slimmer as it goes to shore? That's kind of the shape you want to go for. Don't worry about opening it up because you're going to close it with the colors. You'll see what I mean more once the video goes on, so let me be quiet. Okay, so now I'm taking a buffer brush or concealer brush, whichever one you have, and really just blending out those edges so everything can come together as seamless as possible, or at least as seamless as I can get it. Now I'm going in with the dark blue that I used again on the arch, and I am just filling in the sides of where I cut the crease, like just the side, just to blend it in all together. I hope this makes sense to y'all. I really do. Okay, now we're going in back with that baby blue color, the color we used to diffuse the arch. And we're going to actually diffuse the blue that we just put in the middle where we cut our crease. Y'all, we only want to put the baby blue on the sides. We do not want to go up to where where the crease is, the crease area. We don't want to do that. We want to keep that area as clean as possible, just so it can look and give that halo effect. You know? Okay. Going into the Superstar palette by Profusion, I am using this cute little champagne color they got, and I'm going to fill in where I cut my halo crease at, and just to give it that little nice little shimmer, you know, when you wink your eyes, you know, something cute for the boys and the girls. This part you got to be real tedious with, y'all, because you do not want to fuck up where you kind of like blended your colors together in the inner part of the cut crease, if that makes sense. Like, you're gonna have to eventually go back and forth with those colors just so you don't, like, I don't know, lose any colors in the transition, if that makes sense. Like you see, I'm like going eye to eye just to make sure that they're matching too. That's another big thing with halo cut creases. You got to make sure them hoes match. Like, I mean, cut creases, you got to make sure they match too, but like, if the halo cut crease doesn't match, you're gonna tell. And mine was not really matching like that. As you could tell, like the left was kind of, I seen like the left was kind of taller than the right was, but it was too late to turn back. I'm like, you know, at this point, fuck it, I was tired, you know. Anyway, so we're going in highlighting my face with the same concealer, you guys. This is just, you know, self-explanatory. You're highlighting your T-zone area, and of course under your contour line, just to brighten it up a little bit. And yes, y'all, I decided to use a liquid contour today. Like, usually I'll be on my powder shit, but I'm like, Revlon, they might have did something with this one, because I swear, like, Juvia Place and this Revlon concealer, they work so well together. Like, this may be my favorite combo as far as highlighting and contouring with, because what, like, they just melted together. Even with the Morphe foundation, like, they all worked really well together. Oh my god, I hate when that happens. This part is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just using that contour to push my cheekbones up. Again, when you're blending your contour shade, you push the product upward instead of downward or swiping, because you don't want that big old dirt line. You know the dirt line. You know, girl. Then there's this part, y'all. Don't judge me. I had to check my kids real quick, per usual. And now I am going in, and we're gonna actually blend out where I put that concealer, because again, you don't want that dirt line and you don't want that harsh line either. I did not set my face for this look, by the way, you guys, only because again, this was like at 10 something at night, and I was taking this right off after I got my pictures and my cute little videos and stuff. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I'm taking a buffer brush and blending that shit on out. Now, usually, you guys, I would have scrapped the whole look if my eyes were not matching, but I'm trying to do something a little different this year. Whatever happens in the makeup session, y'all. Like, I'm gonna rock out and I'm gonna stick beside it, period. When I tell y'all I love this brush, I absolutely love this brush. It's from an Amazon brush set, but y'all, I literally got the brush set just to get this brush. It works so well when you contouring your nose. Like, it gets the shape down packed, and like it helps you like really blend it. Like, I really do love this brush, y'all. I will link it down below so you can get it too, girl. And this is what we are giving you guys. Love this look. Even though my eyes aren't matching, it came out great.
You know, like,
like after you're done doing your makeup, you're looking cute and stuff, but you're like debating like, when should I take my makeup off? I'm having that dilemma right now because it's so cute, like the halo with haloing, you know, but I'm tired. I gotta work in the morning. I need to take this off. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and supporting my content. I'll catch you in the next one.